song reminds us of the attitude that we maybe don't want to have as Christians. When somebody does us wrong, it goes like this. One fine day as I was walking down the street. No, wait, that's the wrong song. Well, that's the right song. See, that is the right song. Try it again. One fine day as I was walking down the street. Spied a beggar man with rags upon his feet there. When I called him, he came. Wait, that's the wrong one. Don't look at me. Well, picked up in his wait, how's that go? Penny from my pocket in his tin cup. I did drop it, and I was heard him saying as I made my retreat. May you learn to paradise up your nose. May an elephant caress you with his toes. May your wife be paid with runners in her hose. May you learn to paradise up your nose. My laundry man is really on his toes. He found $100 bill on my toes. When he called me, I came running. Gave him back his dime for fun. And I heard him saying as I turned to go, may the bird of paradise fly up your nose. May the elephant caress you with his toes. May your wife be played with runners in her hose. May the bird of paradise fly up your nose. I was way behind one day to catch a train. Taxi driver said, we'll make it just the same. But a speed cop made it with us. And as he wrote out the ticket, I stood politely by, waiting for my change. May